What are you loading it into, and what's the outcome?
Okay, well, we've got various customers. We've got a lot of people that are maybe pulling data from various systems and doing various regulatory reporting. So they'll be pulling it out of those systems, retransforming it so that it can then be loaded into another database that they generate these reports on. And those have to be very timely. They have specific SLAs. The government says, you need to have these things in on specific times. So you need to have a reliable system to get those. We have other people that are integrating source data from various sources so they can do other types of reporting and data intelligence. We've got other people who are doing things like pulling data that's dropped into a file by customers randomly as opposed to the nightly batches, and they have to be running and pulling that data and generating reports or generating new data into a system or just publishing it. And so we've got a lot of different processes going on. So in our system, we went live about a year ago almost, like November 6th, I think it was our first live customer. And we now have 12 customers in production with over 2,000 pipelines running on a daily basis in our system. Some of them, like I said, are nightly, some of them are every 5 minutes. So there's various different things that these users need to do. We are trying to bring more to the big data platform and start connecting to that so that as the bank is doing some big data initiatives, the tools will support that as well. And the company's also doing a lot of machine learning. So we would like to be able to better support them with the ETL, because a good chunk of what we find some of these data scientists are doing is spending time doing data prep and cleanup before they even do the stuff.
Right.
Well, that's not what the company's paying them to do. How can we better support them and we feel Pentaho can provide that type of a front-end service in a sense for them. And then also start using maybe business analyzer tools and things like that, so they're not having to build the early visualizations.
Right.
And then how can we operationalize this machine learning? We hope to be able to meet that type of a need. So, so we're trying to better get out there to our various customers, because right now, I would say we're kind of a few people know us, and we want to be more evangelizing what we can do as a service across the board. But like I said, we've already had some immediate effects. Like I said, we've got all these clients coming in across various business units. And that, of course, creates the challenge, of course, because you got to keep that data separate. And so we, from our side, we work, okay, you're a client, we keep the data separate. If you need to worry about blending data from different sources, you figure out, but it's your responsibility to get access to your data. Once you've got that, we provide you the way to actually pull it in and use it and go forward. So, so there's still those boundaries of sometimes trying to break down the siloed walls that are there, not the technical ones, but the business ones.
The process ones.
Right.